Gents, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing okay. And before I get into today's video, I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy Christmas for those of you that do celebrate, and a great close to the year. Now in today's video, I wanted to discuss the importance of reinventing yourself in the coming year. Look, the year is coming to an end, and it's important to relax a little bit. It's important to enjoy time with family, enjoy holiday away from work, and prepare yourself for the coming year. However, I know that there will be some of you guys who are looking at 2025 and not feeling very proud of your performance, not feeling very proud of the things that you have achieved. There may be areas that you have done well, but I know a lot of you guys will be feeling like there was more that you could have done and more that you should have done but didn't do. Now, first and foremost, you're not the only one, you're not the last one. There are a lot of people feeling that way. However, often this is not the case in just one isolated year. Often it is the case that guys have been telling themselves year after year after year that they're going to make changes. Year after year after year that they're going to hit certain targets. And yet year after year, they fail. Year after year, they don't hit their targets. And they're left at the back end of the year, going into the next year, saying the same old stuff. And look, I'm not a guy that likes to go into New Year's resolutions too much, because I find that everybody has a New Year's resolution. Your mum, your nan, your auntie, and it's become a little cringe because it's sort of something that people say to hype themselves up for the new year, but ultimately more people don't hit their New Year's resolutions than do. And I think instead of being the guy that says next year I'm going to do this, this is my New Year's resolution, and telling everyone about it, be the guy who goes into the next year silent. Be the guy who goes into the next year not saying what he's going to do, not over-promising to lots of different people, setting expectations, but goes into the new year silent and ready to go. You see, a man who works in silence garners far more respect than a man who talks about what he's going to do with a big mouth. A man who just consistently shows up to work, a man who just consistently gets the work done and builds slowly over time, is more respected than the guy that just yaps about things he's going to do and things he plans to do. Now, if you have a resolution and you end up setting it and you end up doing it, fair play to you, well done. I have no problem with you. It's just that most people don't. And most people find themselves in the same situation year by year, lying to themselves, hyping themselves up for change that is not coming. Don't be that guy. Decide that you are going to reinvent yourself completely, but in silence. You don't want to be going into next year feeling the same as the year before, and the year before that. Over-promising things that you're going to do and under-delivering. Be the guy who works in silence. Be the guy who works in silence and transforms himself quietly. Allow your success to do the talking. The people that build quietly, that go away and take some time to build, they garner far more respect than people that have to advertise everything they do. The guy who leaves his hometown and goes to a completely different place where he doesn't know anybody and just changes who he is, gets his money up, gets his house in order, gets his relationships sorted out, fixes any vices that he has, And when he comes home for Christmas, he's the talk of the town. When he comes home for Christmas, his family talk about how much he's grown and changed and how proud they are of him. You want to be that guy. You don't want to be the guy who's just around that Christmas table saying that I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to get a gym membership, and I'm going to go for 3 months. Or I'm going to invest in this thing. I'm gonna. I feel like we should have a ban on those words, I'm gonna, or I'm going to. Because a lot of people that say that never do. And they do themselves a disservice because you set expectations of yourself. Other people are looking at you, they're watching you. And there are some people, not all people, most people are good, but there are some people who will quietly wait for you to fail. They'll think, yeah, I've heard him say that. This guy has a track record of flopping and ditching his plans and flailing. Let me see what he does. Let me see if he actually pulls the trigger this time. And when you don't, they go, yeah, I thought that would happen. Nice. People enjoy you effing things up. People enjoy you losing. There are people who actually wait for you to tell the world what you're going to do, to announce it on Instagram, to say, guys, I'm going to do the couch to 5K. Guys, I'm going to drop 10 kilos. Guys, I'm going to get the gym membership. Guys, I'm going to do this. They just sit there and they wait. Now, that's a very sad life, I've got to say. If people are doing that, and they are, they're very sad and pathetic. But the point I'm trying to make is, do you want to be the guy that people do that to? Do you want to be the guy that people almost snigger when they hear you make a prediction about what you're going to do? Say, I'll wait for his New Year's resolution. It's going to be funny. We'll give it 3 months. No, that's disgusting. So you have to transform. And you have to, with work, with silence, change not only your perception of yourself, but other people's perception of you. You do have to transform. And I say, don't set resolutions. Just have it in your head that by the end of next year, you're going to be a different man. No more breaking your own promises. No more procrastinating, wasting time, engaging in garbage social media. Social media is not bad. There are a lot of people who post valuable content and put stuff out there genuinely to help people. By the way, if you have taken some value from this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Makes a big difference. But there's a lot of people that make good stuff on here and put good stuff out there, or at least try to. But there's definitely a lot of rubbish, a lot of crap, a lot of slop. You know, your Subway Surfers funk edits, your AI stuff now where you've just got brain rot all over the phone. Don't be engaging in that. Again, don't break promises to yourself. If you say you're going to do something, make sure you do it. And a thing that you can do is to think forward and ask yourself, what does the best version of me do on a daily basis? Does he waste time? No. Does he procrastinate? No. Does he break his own promises? No. Does he let himself down consistently? No. Well, how does he act? Well, he does the things he says he's going to do. He turns up even when he doesn't feel like it. He helps the people that he cares about. He provides value. Again, it's not about writing something down and saying, I'm going to do this one thing. No, you're going to transform. But you're actually going to do it this time. You're actually going to do the things that you said you were going to do in all the previous years. Because if not now, when? If not now, when? You guys must understand that habits are built over time. And that can be good. That can be really good. You can be a guy that goes to the gym every single day and that habit is strengthened. And if he keeps going for 6 months, he's locked in. Doesn't need motivation anymore. He's disciplined. But at the same time, swiping your life away, ignoring the work that needs to get done, acting like a loser. Those are things that can get strengthened over time as well, those habits. Bad habits can get strengthened over time too. Avoidance of necessary work, procrastination, breaking your own promises, not taking risks. There are a lot of men out there in their 70s and 80s who look back on their life ashamed because there were so many instances that they should have taken action, but they didn't. And I said it before, I'll say it again. If they could grab you by the throat and throttle you and shake you and say, listen, please do it. Please take the risk. Please take action. Please go after your goals, because I didn't. They would. But they can't, so I'm here, and I'm telling you here. Reinvent yourself this next year. No resolutions, just a promise. You're going to be a different man coming out of next year than you were going in. Okay? Anyway guys, if you took some value from this video today, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, comment your thoughts down below. As I said, look, enjoy the end of the year, but get ready for one of the best years of your life in 2026. Okay? The membership option is open for the channel as well, so if you do want to support me, there's a little join button on the channel. There's a bunch of perks that come with that, but essentially you get member-only content and a bunch of other stuff also. And if you are interested, if you don't know, I do offer my one-to-one coaching services. There's a link down below in the description of this video. You can book yourself a slot at a time that works with you. And also, look, if you want to get in touch with me regarding coaching inquiries, give me a contact on Instagram, Alf Pursuit. The handle's the same. Okay? As always, guys, thank you for your time and your attention, and I'll see you in the next one.